Welcome to day 25 of our 100 Days of Python Coding Challenge. In this tutorial, we'll tackle a classic programming problem, printing a hollow diamond pattern. Given the number of rows, p, our program will generate a hollow diamond pattern with alphabet characters. Input. The input will be a single line containing a positive integer p. Output. The output should be 2p1 rows and 2p1 columns containing the alphabet characters in the hollow diamond pattern. Sample input and output are also be given for your reference. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to solve this coding challenge and create elegant hollow diamond patterns using Python. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more Python tutorials and coding challenges. Your support helps us reach more viewers and grow our community.